When employees don't have the information they need, they spend time searching, asking questions, or waiting for answers. Worse yet, they may come to their own conclusions or make something up. Either way, it ends up wasting valuable time that can lead to costly errors. Give everyone the information they need, exactly when they need it, with a visual workplace. Critical information is conveyed at the point of need using non-verbal visual devices in a visual workplace. Because visuals are easy to understand, everyone can quickly interpret the information, even in a multi-language workforce. Visual devices can help reinforce training and even help less experienced employees get up to speed quickly and effectively. From floor tape to pre-printed signs to industrial label printers and intelligent software products, you'll have a robust selection of visual workplace solutions to choose from. The eyes really have it this time. Set your focus on enhanced productivity and safety with Brady, your worldwide partner in visual workplace identification.